Hi guys, welcome to Memo's tutorials. Today we are doing addition of SURDS, addition and subtraction of SURDS. Our first question, we are having 3 root 50 minus 5 root 32 plus 4 root 8. Remember, as we'll be doing these SURDS, we need to remember our perfect squares, our square numbers, right? Which are 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, and 100. These are the first 10 square numbers that we need to be familiar with, right? So we are having 3 root 50 minus 5 root 32 plus 4 root 8. How are we going to simplify it? Let's simplify each number, each set individually, okay? So we are having a root 50 there. That will be a 3 root of 25 times root 2, right? 50 is 25 times 2 minus 5, 32, that will be root 16 times root 2 plus root 8, that will be root 4 times root 2, and 4 root 4 times root 2. What is the square root of 25? We know it's a 5. So you have 3 times 5 root 2 minus the square root of 16, it's a 4. 5 times 4 root 2 plus, we know the square root of 4 is a 2. 4 times 2 root 2. What do we get? 3 times 5 is a 15. So we have 15 root 2 minus 5 times 4, it's a 20. 20 root 2 plus 4 times 2 is a what? It's a 8. 8 root 2. Okay. So all of these sets now, they have this, there's something common. They are all having root 2, root 2, root 2, root 2. So in other terms, like I've got 15 apples and 8 apples, and I must take away 20 apples, right? They're now having the same surname. So now when they are like this, we can now add or subtract them. Remember, with both must first add before we subtract. So we are going to say it's 15 root 2 plus 8 root 2 minus 20 root 2. Subtraction comes last. What is 15 plus 8? That is 23 root 2 minus 20 root 2. 23 minus 20 is a 3. So our answer is 3 root 2, like that. Okay, so you can only add or subtract your sets when they are the same, like this. When they are all, in this case, they are all root 2, root 2, root 2, right? That was for our first question today. Our second question, it's root 12 plus root 3. This one is very easy. Root 12 plus root 3. The square root of 12, we know it's root 4 times root 3 plus root 3 that we already had there. The square root of 4 is a 2, so we have 2 root 3 plus a root 3. 2 apples plus 1 apple. Root 3 is the same as 1 root 3, like that. So 2 root 3 plus a root 3, our answer will be a 3 root 3. That's it. Okay. What about root 175 minus 4 root 7? What will be the solution for that one? Okay, it was showing at the back. Let me use green. We have the square root of 175 minus 4 root 7. Square root of 175 is square root of 25 times square root of 7. 25 times 7 is 175 minus 4 root 7. The square root of 25 is a 5, so in other terms we are remaining with 5 root 7 minus 4 root 7. 5 minus 4 is just 1, so our answer is 1 root 7, or you just write it as root 7. You'll be done, right? Okay, the last one that we're going to look at is square root of 99 minus square root of 44 minus root 11. Root of 99 is the same as root 9 times root 11 minus the root of 44, same as root 4 times root 11 minus root 11, that's already there from the question. So this then becomes 3 root 11 minus 2 root 11 minus root 11. So it's 3 minus 2 minus 1. Your answer will be a 0 for this one. 3 minus 2 minus 1. So it's the same as 3 minus 3. So that's a 0 for this one. So this is how we add or subtract.